I'm Mark Trishan, and this is PwC's Tax Insights in brief. The November 5th election results have positioned former President Donald J. Trump as the next president of the United States. The election results are important because President-elect Trump has proposed substantial tariffs aimed at reshaping U.S. trade relations and encouraging domestic manufacturing. The President-elect's proposed tariffs include a general 10 to 20% tariff on all imports, regardless of origin, a potential 60% plus tariff specifically targeting Chinese origin imports, significant tariffs of 100 to 200% on vehicles manufactured in Mexico, and a broad 25% tariff on all Mexico origin goods coming into the U.S. If implemented, these proposed tariffs will result in significant changes to the current trade landscape, which will result in a direct increase to above-the-line costs. Given these proposed tariffs, the anticipated trade landscape of 2025 will likely involve substantial disruption and uncertainty. Companies should also be aware of trade policies put in place by the U.S. and its USMCA partners to prevent tariff circumvention. Specifically, tariff measures to prevent Chinese origin goods from being routed through Mexico and Canada with the goal of evading U.S. tariffs. As for next steps, it's important for companies to understand the impact. First, companies should model the impact of proposed tariffs, especially if they have a heavy footprint in China or utilize trade structures like the Maquiladora program. Second, companies should reassess production and sourcing strategies and build resilience into supply chains. Third, they need to integrate customs and tax planning to help manage the financial impacts across various tariff scenarios. And finally, they need to monitor for potential retaliatory actions. For more details, read the attached insight. Thanks for watching. This has been PwC's Tax Insights in brief.